In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can check if you have admin rights or administrative rights on your Windows 11. So let's get started. These are just three easy ways. So let's go quick into it. First is you have to click on the start button and then click on the settings icon. Now in the list of options on the left pane, you have to simply click on accounts. And here you will find your account. So let me just quickly click on your info. Okay, so right here you will find that how to. So this is my username and this is administrator. So what do you mean by if it has the administrator under the account name is that you are or you have the administrative rights on your Windows 11. If you have administrative rights on your Windows 11, then you can make changes to your Windows 11. Unlike if you are not the administrator of your Windows 11, or in short, you are logged in as a standard account on your Windows 11, you cannot make any changes to it. So it's a pretty privilege that you are logged in as an administrator and you can easily do that. So this is the first method. Second method is go to the Windows search bar and type control panel. Click on it under the best match. Click on user accounts. Click on user accounts again. And here you will find the change your account type. So currently, if I click on administrator, this is grayed out because I am already the administrator of this Windows 11. Okay, you can check that. If I click on manage another account, you will find that there is an administrator word under the username. Okay, next method is type CMD in the Windows search bar. Type run as administrator or click run as administrator, then type net space user space your username. So I'm how to and hit enter. And in here you will find local group memberships administrator. Okay? So these are the three easy ways on how you can check if you are logged in as an administrator into your Windows 11 or you have administrative rights. You can also check that in the start button. Click on this icon. Okay? You can also sign into any other accounts. Click on manage my account. And the same thing, your info administrator. Okay? You can also access into that. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.